Video vlog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are back again for another vlog. We are doing a tech vlog and you are watching my YouTube channel at Features Lifestyle, Travel, Food, and Tech, and also unboxing. We are going to unbox this brand new smartphone. This is the Realme 12 Plus 5G from Realme Philippines. At ayun na nga, ang ating intro. So ayun, I got this smartphone from Realme Philippines. Pinadala nila ito few weeks ago for another promotion and campaign. And ano tayo ngayon para i-unbox yung phone na ito. Wala tayo sa aking studio at I'm here in the New Clark City kasi nag-coverage kami dito. Dito tayo sa magandang lugar. It's the residences na parang condo here sa New Clark City. So, ito na, we're going to unbox this at napakita ko sa inyo yung tech specs at features itong Realme 12 Plus 5G. Kakalabas lang nila ngayong araw na ito, March 7, two kinds of the Realme 12 series nila, no? The Realme 12 Plus 5G at may isa pa, yung kanilang mataas na flagship nila is Realme 12 Pro Plus. Wala tayo noon, but we got the 12 Plus. Alright, we have the SRP. Nasa title screen ito at ayun na nga. Start na yung kanilang pre-order stage. Just visit any store sa mga mall and also Realme stores. Alright, bago ko i-unbox pala to, no, feature ko muna sa inyo yung tech specs ng phone na ito. Alright, let's do this. So ito yung tech specs ng Realme 12 Plus 5G. For the display, meron siyang 6.67 inches na ultra smooth OLED display. Naka-OLED yung screen niya at meron siyang 120 Hz refresh rate. Wow, very ultra smooth talaga. At meron siyang 600 nits brightness at saka 2000 nits peak brightness na feature sa kanyang screen. At meron itong 240 Hz touch sampling rate, which is okay dito for gaming, lalo na pag FPS. Meron siyang 1080 by 2400 FHD Plus na screen resolution at meron siyang 92.65% screen to body ratio. Meron siyang 16.7 million screen colors at it can support rainwater smart touch. So yung rainwater smart touch niya is kahit mabasa siya ng tubig yung screen, you can still control yung mapapindutin yung mga apps ninyo, no? So wala siyang parang delay pag nababasa yung phone. Kahit nagbago kayong hugas ng kamay, basa or umulan or nawisikan, magagamit nyo pa rin yung phone. At meron siyang IP54 water resistance dahil doon, ha. At meron siyang HDR10 Plus certification at TUV Rainland Low Blue Light certification. So maganda yung display niya, maganda yung screen, hindi rin masakit sa mata at okay na okay ito. 120 Hz refresh rate is napakabilis din. So, ultra smooth talaga. For the body, yung design niya, no, papakita ko sa inyo pag na-unbox. Meron siyang luxury watch design at meron siyang premium vegan leather sa kanyang back ng smartphone. At meron siyang polished sunburst dial design sa camera niya. At meron siyang 3D Jubilee bracelet design na rin din. Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo. At meron siyang polished PVD edges doon sa likod ng phone niya. So, very stylish, mas social yung dating ng phone na ito sa itsura niya, no, sa kanyang design. For the CPU, gumagamit siya ng MediaTek Dimensity 7050 5G chipset. So, this is a 5G smartphone. Ito ay octa-core and up to 2.6 GHz. Meron siyang SNM processes at kanyang GPU is ARM Mali G68MC4. Yan ang feature ng kanyang CPU. For the OS, gumagamit siya ng Realme UI 5.0 based on Android 14. So, very updated yung kanyang OS. For the memory naman, gumagamit siya ng 8GB of RAM. By the way, no, dalawang klase yung versions ng Realme 12 Plus 5G. Yung first variant niya is the 8GB of RAM na meron 256GB of storage. And the second one, 12GB of RAM plus 256GB of storage. So, yun yung meron siya. Yung meron siyang 512GB but nasa Pro version siya. So, this one, we got the 12 Plus 5G. So, this one is the 12GB variant na RAM. So, okay siya. Pero ang pinakamaganda dito, meron siyang extra RAM expansion na 12 GB din. So, pwede ka mag-choose ng expansion mo for 4 GB or 8 GB or 12 GB. Siyempre, sagad na sa 12 GB to. Pero take note lang kumukuha siya ng resources doon sa kanyang storage to get the additional RAM expansion. So kung kahit kumuha ka ng 8 GB na RAM, may plus 12 GB ka pa rin na RAM expansion. Pag naka 12 GB ka pa rin, plus 12 pa. So, total of 24 GB ang makukuha nyo. Ayun napakaganda na kanyang memory feature. For the camera specs of the Realme 12 Plus 5G, for the rear camera, this is a triple camera, no? So, first camera, meron siyang 50 megapixel Sony LYT600 sensor. Wow, maganda yung kanyang camera specs. At yung second camera niya is 8 megapixel na wide angle na merong 112-degree angle feature. At yung kanyang pang third na camera is 2 megapixel na macro na 4 cm macro feature. So, meron siyang 58 tsaka 2. This is a triple camera ng Realme 12 Plus 5G at it can shoot video up to 4K 30 fps and also 1080p 30 fps or 60 fps video recording. Nag-try ako at pag nag 4K ka 30 fps lang, pero pag 1080p kaya niya up to 60 fps. Ang pinakamaganda sa Realme 12 Plus 5G is meron siyang Super OIS feature sa kanyang rear camera. It means that pag inactivate mo tong OIS niya, hindi shaky yung mga video niyo pag nag-record kayo. At meron siyang 50 megapixel high-res mode. We can use this camera, rear camera niya, para makapag-shoot kayo na mas higher resolution, 50 megapixel sa rear camera. Okay, for the front camera, meron siyang 16 megapixel sa front camera. It can shoot up to 1080p 30 fps and also ang maganda rito, may Super OIS din yung kanyang front camera. So this is stabilized. You have to activate the Super OIS, yung steady feature niya, para makuha mo yung feature ng Super OIS. Kasi pag hindi mo napindot, maka-shaky yung video na lalabas mo. Kaya don't forget, always activate the Super OIS. For the battery specs of the Realme 12 Plus 5G, meron siyang 5,000 mAh of battery at meron siyang 67 watts Super VOOC charge feature, which is pag ginamit yung kanyang charging brick tsaka yung cable, you'll get a total of 67 watts of charging. Mabilis to at gumagamit siya ng USB Type-C port sa kanyang charging. Other specs ng Realme 12 Plus 5G, ito ay dual nano SIM at meron siyang 5G dual mode. So kahit dumamit kayo ng dalawang 5G na SIM, it will work at naka-standby siya sabay. At this is also 5G ready na rin din at meron siyang in-display fingerprint sensor for the password or parang pag-unlock ng phone nyo at gumagamit na rin siya ng USB Type-C port at meron siyang 3.5mm ear jack. So pwede kayong mag-plug ng inyong headset directly sa phone at meron siyang tawag na stainless steel vapor cooling system na feature, which is nakakapag-cool down siya ng kanyang CPU paggamit nyo sa mga heavy apps nyo or gaming. At meron siyang dual speakers na high-res sound, which is good. At meron siyang antenna array matrix. So maganda yung pagkakuha niyang signal dahil yung kanyang antenna array matrix ay nasa gilid ng phone na kapalibot. At meron siyang drop protection feature, which is kahit na mahulog siya, hindi siya basta-basta mababasag. Pero syempre, ingat din tayo pag gumagamit ng phone na ito. Hindi ibig sabihin na meron siyang drop protection feature is babasagin natin siya. Huwag natin gagawin yun. At one of the best feature is meron siyang 360-degree na NFC. So that's the other specs ng Realme 12 Plus 5G. And for the body colors, meron siyang Pioneer Green na color at Navigator Beige color. At ang nakuhang color ko dito is Navigator Beige color, which kung nakita niyo yung mga picture ko sa Facebook, I'm promoting it already, nakita niyo yung phone na ginagamit ko. And for the SRP, launching na siya March 7 today. For the online orders, for the 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, nasa 17,999 siya. At for the Lazada, Shopping, TikTok introductory price, it is 14,999. Napakamura, no? Parang hanggang March 7 to hanggang March 15. So kung gusto niyo makamura, order kayo sa Lazada, Shopping, TikTok official stores ni Realme Philippines. At for the another variant ni Realme 12 Plus 5G, meron siyang 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Nasa price siya ng 19,999. That's the original price. But pag umorder kayo sa Lazada, Shopee, TikTok, Realme Store, 16,000 na lang siya. 16,599. That's good also from March 7 up to March 15. Yan ang kanilang online orders. Napakamura. Grabe, 14,999 starting ng isang phone. For the offline orders, kung pupunta kayo sa mga kiosk, sa mga tech stores, o sa Realme Philippines Store, yung 8GB of RAM with 256GB of storage, nasa 17,999 pa rin. But if you buy that, meron kayong freebie na Tech Life na 4.5 liter see-through air fryer na worth 2,799. Ayan ha. Ang period nito, March 7 to 15 din yata, I think. No? And another variant, yung 12GB, 256GB of storage, which is the price is 19,999. May freebie ka na, tama ba? May freebie ka na Tech Life na 4 liters na digital rice cooker or hair dryer na worth up to 2,399. So, maraming offers si Realme Philippines. So, if you're planning to get this, the time is now kasi napakasulit at grabe, 14,999. Laki ng bawas doon sa 17,999, no? Alright, so ayan, na-unbox na natin to. Na-discuss ko na sa inyo yung tech specs nitong phone na to. And let's move on to the unboxing na. So, para mapakita ko sa inyo yung features na rin din at ganda ng phone na ito. Alright, let's do this. Realme Philippines 12 Plus 5G unboxing. Okay, let's do this. Alright, ito na yung Realme 12 Plus 5G from Realme Philippines. Let's do the unboxing. Okay, open na natin to. So, sabi dito, it's the Navigator Beige. Ito yung kanyang pinagmamalaki nilang Sony LYT600 na may OIS camera. 67 watts of charge, 5,000 mAh, Dimensity 7050 at 120Hz Ultra Smooth AMOLED display. So, ayan. Open na natin to. And here's the box. Lagay dito is Make It Real. Alright, Realme Philippines. So, this box contains the first box pa lang ito, no? Ay, magpatanggal. Oh, nahulog na. So, first box is, ano ba to? Ito yung may casing pala siyang kasama. Ayan. Ito pa ito nakikita. So, yung kanyang SIM ejector pin. Ayan. Kanyang manual. And also the plastic casing. No? Yung kanyang jelly case pala. Jelly casing. Which is very important. Tanggalin natin ito kasi gusto ko na itong gamitin kaagad para hindi ma-damage or ma-scratchan yung phone. Pero maganda yung phone niya eh. So, ito na. And this is the phone. Actually, ito na siya, yung phone. Ito siya. Mamaya, batintingin natin ito mamaya-maya. At other laman is the charging. Laki yung charging brick niya. 67 watts at also the USB cable Type-C. Ayan. So, set aside ko na to para ma-check natin mabuti yung phone na ito. So, here's the phone. The Realme 12 Plus 5G, super ganda ng itsura niya, no? Ganda ng design nito. Parang sabi nga nila, it's like a luxury watch design, di ba? And, ano pa ba yung kanyang premium vegan leather style at yung kanilang sunburst bracelet. Ito pala yung sunburst bracelet style niya. Ito, para siyang bracelet. Tapos, may luxury watch design. Nakala mo, watch eh. No? So, this is the rear camera. No? Ito yung triple rear camera niya. And on the side, actually, unbox ko na to eh. Unbox ko na to. This is the front camera. Na-set up ko na rin din pala. Ayan, yung front camera niya. Ganda ng wallpaper. On the top, it's the ear jack. Ayan, 3.5mm ear jack. I think may speaker yata to, tsaka microphone. Ayan. Speaker to ito and to microphone. Sa left side is very clean. Grabe, napaka-luxury design niya. Sa right side is the volume and the power button. Sa ilalim, it's the speaker, USB Type-C, and also the kanyang may microphone dito, tsaka also yung SIM niya. So, syempre, tanggalin natin to para mabuksan natin yung SIM tray niya. Ayan, kasi sabi lang dito is dual nano SIM lang siya. So, wala siyang SD card slot. So, only for the SIM lang siya. So, 256 lang yung limit niya. So, yun lang talaga magagamit natin. But if you need the 512GB, you get yung mas mahal, yung Realme 12 12 Pro Plus, sa SRP niya sa 25,000 plus. This one is starting price at 17,999. But if just promo ka, 14,999 makukuha mo sa mga Shopee, Lazada, tsaka TikTok Realme Store. Alright, so this is the close-up look. Ganda ng rear camera niya, no? So actually, na-setup ko na to. And very lightweight niya siya. Yung vegan leather niya, no, hindi siya ganun kagaspang. Parang ano alam mo yung parang handbag or parang luxury belt. Pero pagka nakita mo yung white niya, no, very stylish talaga. Pag dala-dala ko to, napapatingin yung mga tao because of its style. Very fashionable siya. Yung mga babae, parang trip nila tong white eh. But yung iba, may ibang color, yung parang dark color, it's the tawag ito, Pioneer Green yung isa. Pioneer Green, so medyo mag-greenish pero mukha siyang blue. And okay, explore natin. Nag-install na ako ng mga games dito. And for the RAM expansion, go to the settings. Go to the settings and go to the ano ba yung pinindot ko dito? Nalimutan ko na. About the device. Sa about the device, you click RAM. Ayan, nakikita mo, no? 4GB, 8GB, or 12GB. Pero pag in-on ko yan, it will require me to reboot. So, ayan, restart daw. So, not now kasi ginagamit natin to, no? It will take effect daw pagka nag-restart yung phone. So, ganda ng niya, yung screen niya. It's very responsive and smooth. And this is, naka-on na yata yung 120Hz refresh rate. Pag ganyang kabilis ang pag-browse nyo. Nag-install na ako ng TikTok, Facebook, Messenger, and also Call of Duty. Naglaro ako ng Call of Duty, no? I have here a recording. So, napakabilis nung screen recording to, no? Sa screen recording is lakas ng speaker niya, grabe. Lakas ng speaker niya, hinaan ko. Sa screen recording niya, no, ang nire-record niya talaga, yung audio talaga ng game. Hindi sa microphone, ha. So, kahit nagsasalita ako, hindi siya maririnig kasi yung audio ng system ng game, yung nire-record niya. Napakaganda siya mo, napakabilis, oh. So, I'll be uploading the full video nito sa YouTube channel ko para mapanoodin nyo. So, hindi lang yan. Also, naglaro din ako ng multiplayer game. Napakabilis din oh. Napaka-smooth. Surprisingly, ang ganda niya for gaming, no. Hindi ko lang alam kung okay to for Fortnite, pero I'm very confident na baka kaya niya i-run din 'yon. So, i-upload ko rin dito sa YouTube channel ko yung mga gameplay, game testing natin. For photos, I'll show you some photos na picture ko kanina. Very okay naman yung kanyang front camera, which is okay naman, maganda. Very clear naman, tsaka crisp, sharp din, makulay. Ito yung nasa tayo ngayon, sa New Correct ako ngayon, covering this as a swimming championship ng Asia. So, yun si Aaron. Ayan. At yung mga swimmers from China, very clear. Ganda ng shot ko dito actually. Oh. Ganda ng shot ko dito. Parang ayun yung parang referee or judge ba nung kanyang water polo tournament. Kasi nagko-cover tayo ng water polo. Ito yung water polo, no. In terms of zooming, kasi yung Realme 12 Pro Plus, mas maganda yung camera niya kasi meron siyang natawag na periscope feature, which is sa zoom niya. Sabi nila naka 120x zoom daw siya, which is hindi ko pa naman natatry kasi hindi tayo naka-pro, naka 12 plus 5 lang tayo. Pero browsing it, let's move on to the camera. So, yung camera is, meron siyang 0.6x, 1x, and 2x. Ang maganda dito, no, pag ginamit ko yung camera niya, is nagkakaroon siya ng face detection. Since wala naman akong tao mapipicturean dito eh. Meron siyang face detection. Para nakakapag-focus siya. Para ako may dalang point-and-shoot and camera. That's the thank you dun sa kanyang sensor, na Sony sensor, na yun yung magandang yun yung selling point ng phone na ito. Naka-Sony yung kanyang rear camera. At yun na nga, no, meron siyang 2x, kayat nito up to 20x sa photo. Pero pag ganyan, medyo grainy na eh. Huwag tayo lumagpas dyan. Pero I'm sticking to 1x and 2x lang for photography. For video, sa video, no, meron siyang 0.6x, 1x, tsaka 2x. Ang problema nito, no, na-discover ko, no, pag naka 1x ka, you're recording 1x, no, or 1x, you can zoom up to 10x. Ayan, pwede ka mag 10x, no? Pero pag you're going back, hanggang 1x ka lang, hindi ka makakapag-shift to the 0.6x feature, which is yung wide angle. Pero pag naka 2x ka, nag-record ka, you can go to the 1x lang. Pero hindi ko alam kung maganda yung quality niya, no? Hindi ko pa siya natetesting eh. So, way back hanggang 10x din siya. Ayan. But if you're shooting at 0.6x, yung wide angle ng phone na ito, wala ka ng way to zoom in or zoom out. Nakastuck ka lang sa 0.6x, which is okay lang naman din, pero you have to manage and kabisaduhin nyo yung phone na ito para alam nyo, no, na hindi naman pala siya na-zoom in or zoom out pag naka 0.6x. And also, while recording, you cannot go to the front camera pag nagre-record kayo ng video. But you can take pictures na lang din. Only way to go to the front camera is press stop and select this. Ayan, naka-record na tayo ngayon. And we're recording at 1080p, 30 fps. So this is my vlogging setup dito sa New Clark City. Nakikita nyo naman. At doing a playback, malakas siya. And we're recording at 1080p, 30 fps. So this is my... So napansin nyo parang medyo shaky siya, no? So, merong button dito na pag kinilik mo yan, naka-on yung kanyang parang steady feature. Paano ba ito patayin? Ayan. Nakapatay siya. Pag puti, pag nakadilaw, naka-on na yung kanyang feature. Yan, nakita niya may face detection, no? May face detection siya. Nakikita yung mukha ko. And kahit naka-on siya, ayan, hindi siya shaky daw. Yun ang sabi nila. Pero natry ko na, it's very smooth talaga. Kahit naka-on siya, ayan, hindi siya shaky daw. Ginagalaw-galaw ko eh. Pero if sa rear camera, is very interesting, no? Kasi sa rear camera, naka 1080p 30 fps ako. Pag kinilik ko yung steady, ultra steady on, ayan, it will switch to 1080p 60 fps. So makikita mo yung difference, no? Medyo mabilis yung movement ng object. At dahil 60 fps recording siya, it's super smooth yung output niya. Yun ang maganda niyan. So, yun ang pinakang ano niya. Kahit naka 0.6x ka at naka ultra steady, ganun din. 60 fps yung kanyang kinocall pag ultra steady. Ay, hindi pala. Pag 0.6x, 30 fps lang pala yung ano niya, which is okay na rin din pala. Pag 1x lang nag-activate yung 60. Pag 0.x, it's the 1080p 30 fps. Ayun siya. And what else? Ito another interesting feature ni Realme is meron siyang street photography style. So you can choose the 16mm lens, 26mm lens, or the 52mm lens. Parang yung ginagamit for portrait photography. Gustong-gusto ko tong style na to kasi nasa set siya dun sa lens na gusto ko. Instead of using the photo na tsamba-tsambahan mo lang, click ka ng 1 or 2 or 0.6. But dito sa street photography, you can choose na sabihin mo naka 16mm ka or naka 26mm lens ka or 52mm lens, which is gusto ko yung part na to for photography. Mas okay siya. Meron siyang night mode. Meron siyang portrait mode. Portrait mode siya, 2.8 aperture. And pagka 2x, 4.5 aperture niya. So more, like natin yung more. So meron siyang Pro version. Pag nag-Pro ka, this is the 50 megapixel yata. Ay, hindi pa pala. Pag Pro pala, you can control all of the settings of the phone. And meron siyang yung parang tawag dito. Saan ba dito yung yung 50 megapixel na hindi ko alam. Baka nasa street yata. I'm not sure, no. Ganun. Hindi ko ata makita. Anyway, ano pa ba? Ito yung high res. Yeah. If you click high res, you'll be shooting directly 50 megapixel pala. Pag naka high res ka, yung pala sa high res pala ipipindutin nyo for good photography din. And also, ano pa ba? Time-lapse, long exposure, dual video, movie, macro, text scanner, group portrait, at tilt shift. Huwag ganun nga, may tilt shift siya for photography. For movie, ito yung style niya for parang cinematic style. Hindi ko pa try. Pero pag naka-full siya, pag kinonvert mo sa 1080p to, mayroon kang magkakaroon ka ng dito. Parang letterbox design. Yung mga parang may black dito, lab border for cinematic viewing. Hindi ko pa na ito natatry pero mag-experiment tayo. So let's shoot a short film or a parang montage. na video. So, ito yung tsura niya, no? So, paano yun? Hindi, kasi naka-ano siya, very wide kasi siya, eh. Pero pag ilagay mo sa 1080p, which is napakaganda ng output niya afterwards. So, I'll be testing more of this phone. So, abangan ninyo sa aking YouTube channel. And yun na nga, tandaan nyo, naka-sale na to. Hindi naman siya naka-sale, para naka-promo sale siya sa Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok na Realme Store for only 14,999 for the 8GB of RAM. Pero originally, this is 17,999. So, go get it while it's hot. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. I'll end now my video here. At meron siyang fingerprint pala, fingerprint scan. Ito pala, may fingerprint scan siya. Napakabilis. Ayan, pag facial scanning kasi, pag nakita yung mukha ko, just swipe up. Ayun na, naka-facial ako eh. Facial yan. Pero pag fingerprint, magkatago ako, fingerprint, mabilis naman din siya for fingerprint. Alright, so yun, I'll end my video here. So thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys at the next video, vlog, adventure. Thank you so much, Realme Philippines, for this Realme 12 Plus 5G smartphone. Alright, and see you guys, and bye-bye.